Hello everyone, I'm Nether Dragon, and today we're doing another episode of My Little Pony: Princess Magic. And this time we're doing Season 1, Episode 22, A Bird in the Hoof. Now, I can't imagine what this is about, so I'm not even gonna bother with the prediction. As always, I have no idea. Some titles I can tell, but this one a bird, something to do with a bird. That's all I can think of. But without further ado, let's just get started. 3, 2, 1, play. Fluttershy's cottage, of course.
There you go, Mr. Mousy.
Okay, that's a small wheelchair.
That leg and do everything I told you, and it'll be just like new in no time at all. Aw, you're welcome. Happy to be able to help.
Wow, that reference there.
You found a watch? You wanna be a watch? You're running. Running out of time? No, you're late? I'm late for a very important date. The big brunch for Princess Celestia at Sugar Cane
Wow.
Oh, the princess is here in Ponyville for a party, and we all promised we'd be there, but I'm not there. Oh, do I look all right? Do I need to bring anything? Maybe I shouldn't go. Ah, it's starting. I'm missing it. Oh, thanks, Angel. I mean, if you hadn't reminded me,
Just
I might have
go,
not remembered, then I
Fluttershy.
wouldn't be there, and every pony would be wondering where I was, and... Oh, right, I'm late.
Really, Fluttershy?
Oh, okay then. See you later.
Sugar Cube corner.
So, what do I have to do to get to be one of the princess's royal guards anyway?
Thought you wanted to be a Wonderbolt, Rainbow.
Is that any good? Hello? Anybody home?
They're not paying any attention to you. Wow, those faces.
Ooh, you're good. Too good. I'm bored. Phew, made it.
Halt! Who goes there?
No one. Never mind. I'll go home.
It's all right, sirs. She's on the list.
Thanks, Twilight.
I'm so glad you could make it, Fluttershy. It wouldn't be the same without you.
One way to make whatever those are, small mini pies.
How's every pony doing? Good? Good.
Anything else we can get for you, dearies? Oh, I mean, esteemed guests. Everything is fine, Mr. and Mrs. Cake.
Sorry I'm late. I had to finish taking care of a patient first.
Oh, you and your tender, loving care of little animals. I just know Princess Celestia is gonna love that about you. I mean, I hope she will. I mean, of course she will.
Wow, Twilight. I thought I was the only one who got nervous at social gatherings.
Oh, it's not that. I just want the princess to approve of my friends.
But she's met us all before.
And read about you in my letters. But this is the first time she spent any real time with you. I want every pony to make a good impression.
Well, I'm sure you have nothing to worry about. Besides, it's just a casual get-together, right?
Don't touch me! Watch the dress! Careful! You're gonna
Yeah, it's not a casual
Ooh,
social
it's
gathering
delicious.
for rarity.
What is it?
Oh, does it stain? Keep it away from me.
Or perhaps not that casual.
Which is the salad and which is the appetizer again? And which am I supposed to eat first?
Really, Applejack? Wow.
Oh, never mind. I'm not hungry.
It's okay, Twilight. So our friend's manners aren't perfect. I doubt the princess will even notice. Oh, chocolate fountainy goodness.
Really, Pinky?
A thousand pardons, Your Majesty.
That's quite all right, thank you.
Empty teacup at 4 o'clock!
I see it, honey bun.
Oh, thank you.
Not at all, Your Highness.
Thank you again. Oh, but of course, Your
Really?
Majesty.
They're just gonna keep refilling, aren't they?
Gotcha.
Yep, she got them.
And what
Wow,
about
that's
you, dear?
good.
Fluttershy, is it?
Me? Oh, yes, Your Highness.
I understand from Twilight Sparkle's letters that you enjoy tending to the needs of woodland creatures.
Yes, I love to take care of animals.
As do I. As princess, I care deeply about all creatures, great and small. Nothing means more to me than the well-being of all my subjects. Ah, Philomena, my pet. You're awake. Do say hello
That
to
thing
our
does not
precious
look healthy.
Oh, my.
She is quite a sight, isn't she?
I've never seen anything like it.
Really? Well, if I must. I'm sorry, every pony. I'm afraid I have to cut the party short. The mayor has requested an audience with me. Royal duty calls. Thank you for a wonderful time. It's been a joy getting to know you all better.
Phew! Now I can eat something. I'm starved.
Wow. Really,
Stay right
Pinky?
where you are. All I want is a clear path to the exit. Nobody move, and my dress won't get hurt. Stay back! Back, I say!
Oh, Applejack got her treats after all.
Well, Spike, I don't know for sure how things went with the princess, but at least no big disasters happened.
Except one, I would say.
Oh, you poor little thing. How did you ever get in such bad condition? Don't you worry, Philomena. I'll nurse you back to health. As a favor to the princess, who is obviously just far too busy to care for you properly. I'm sure the princess will appreciate the help. Oh my! We'd better get you to bed right away.
I was wondering what kind of bird that is. Just put the blanket and the ice pack on. Even out the hot and cold.
This is far worse than I thought. What you need is some medicine. Stat! Here you go, Philomena. This will fix you right up. Dr. Fluttershy expected that. Always works. Almost always.
Makes me think of my dog. She does not. She knows when there's something in their medicine, and she will always eat around it or
There's nothing
eat and
like
then spit
homemade
out the
soup to cure
pill.
what ails you.
even if we mash it up and mix it in, she finds a
Come
way
on
to
now. You're not
not
gonna
eat
get better
that.
if you don't
It's
cooperate.
crazy how she does it.
See? It's delicious. Good and good for you. Here comes the choo-choo train. Chugga 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 woo woo!
That poor bird's neck. Don't think it wants the soup though.
Dear. Don't worry, Philomena. I know what'll make you feel better. Wait right here. I have just the thing. Look, Philomena. I brought a fellow feathered friend by to cheer you up. Hummingway here was sick once too, but he let me help him and got better in no time. Didn't you, boy? Say hello to your new friend, Philomena. Aw, look. I think he likes you. Your turn now, Philomena. Go
The theme
ahead.
song.
You can do it.
Wow. Good try. I know what'll clear up that tickle in your throat. A humidifier. Yeah, that would probably do the trick. Help the humidity in the room.
How's that feeling now for you, Philomena? Better? Oh.
In this case, it didn't work.
That's okay. I know lots of other ways to take care of you. Don't worry, you're gonna get better. How about aromatherapy?
That's not working.
Warm bath?
Not working either.
Ointment?
Don't think that ointment is good for the bird.
Scalpel. Surgical tape. Feathers. Oh,
Really,
Philomena,
Fluttershy?
I thought it would be easy to nurse you back to health, but I've tried everything I know. And look at you. You're worse than ever.
Hi, Fluttershy. I just wanted to drop by and say thank you so very much for making such a good impression on the princess today. What is Celestia's pet doing here?
I couldn't leave the poor thing there. She needed my help.
Oh, no. This is bad.
How could I just walk away and not do anything?
She doesn't belong to you.
I had to do something.
Without telling any pony? Without asking permission?
Yeah, that was kind of not right.
I know you had good intentions, but you have got to return the princess's pet.
But you're right. Okay, let's go.
If we hurry, we can put her back before any pony even realizes she's missing.
Yeah, that face. That's not
We
good.
were told we could find Twilight Sparkle here.
We regret to inform you, miss, that the royal pet has gone missing.
Really? You don't
Yeah, very convincing.
That dry night air?
But it's daytime.
Well, day air's even drier. You guards better be on your way if you're gonna find the princess's missing pet. Philomena, was it? Thank you ever so much for keeping me in the loop. Bye!
Phew.
What are you doing?
Going to return Philomena, remember?
I can't now!
Why not?
You have no idea what the princess is gonna do if she finds you're the one who took her pet, do you?
Do you?
Well, no. But it can't be anything good. She might banish you from Equestria or throw you in a dungeon. banish you and then throw you in a dungeon in the place that she banishes you to.
You really think the princess would
I
do
don't
that?
think she's gonna do any of that.
Granted, that probably won't happen, but do you want to take any chances?
All that really matters to me is that poor little Philomena here gets well.
That's very noble of you. I'll write to you when you're banished. Unless I'm banished too somewhere there's no post office, then you'll have to write to me. Deal?
Please.
But if there's no
Twilight,
post office, how would you get the
Philomena
letters?
healthy, and then we can return her to the
How would either
princess,
one you get the
and
letters?
everything will be fine.
Did you give her any kind of medicine?
I tried to, but she wouldn't take it.
Ugh, then you have to make her take it. You can't be such a pushover, Fluttershy. You need to show this patient who's the boss. Make her straighten up and fly right.
She can't fly.
No excuses. Done. Okay, what else?
Well, she keeps pulling her feathers off. The ones that haven't fallen out yet from all her coughing, I mean.
There you go.
That would work.
I don't think she likes it.
Tough love, baby. You want her to get well, don't you?
Of course, but...
Next!
Well, she desperately needs some bed rest, but I can't get her to stay put.
One step ahead of you.
It's for your own good, Philomena, I promise. Please, just relax and try to get some sleep.
What's this soup over here? Smells delicious.
I made it for Philomena, but she wouldn't eat it.
Oh, she'll eat it all right. Hey, where are you going?
No, Philomena, come back!
That's a fast bird. The song again. I just don't know what the song is called though. Definitely sounds familiar. One of these typical chase scenes, what it looks like. Really? You didn't recognize the bird? Wow. I know this is a reference to something with all the door opening and closing, but I don't know. Wow, bird can draw.
What are you two doing? Are you having a race? Oh, can I play? What does it go?
Excuse me.
Hey! Beg your pardon. Put me down!
What in tarnation?
Sorry, but we've got to find...
The princess's pet bird!
That
Philomena,
bird
come
does
down
not look
here.
good at all
You'll
right
hurt
now.
yourself. I'll catch you.
Wait. Is it
What is
a
going on
phoenix, maybe? Bird bursts into
Twilight?
flame.
Yes.
That's the only explanation I can think of. It has to be a phoenix.
There's been a terrible accident.
And I suppose
It's all
if
my
it is a
fault.
phoenix, it would make
No,
sense since
Princess.
as phoenixes get
Fluttershy
ready
knows
to
better. It was
burst
my
into flame,
fault.
they do start
I'm the
losing
one
their
who did it.
feathers.
But you were only trying to help.
I guess the signs were there. I just
Will you let me do
never
this?
thought of it.
She'll go easier
They
on
would be a
me.
phoenix.
But it's my fault.
I'm calling it now.
No,
It's a phoenix.
my fault. No, it's my fault. Wait, what are we talking about?
Thanks for trying to protect me, Twilight, but Princess Celestia, I'm the one who took your pet bird. I really was only trying to help the poor little thing, then I was gonna bring it right back to you, honest. So, if you want to banish me and then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to, then that's what I deserve.
Oh, stop fooling around, Philomena. You're scaring every pony.
Yep, I called it. It was a phoenix. The signs were there, I just didn't see it until the
What is that
ash,
thing?
until it
What
burst
happened
into
to
flame.
Philomena?
This is Philomena. She's quite a sight, as I said, but nothing unusual for a phoenix. Isn't that right, Philomena?
A phoenix?
A phoenix is a majestic and magical bird. While it appears healthy and happy most of the time, every so often it must renew itself by shedding all of its feathers and bursting into flame. Rather melodramatic, if you ask me. It then rises from the ashes, fresh as a daisy. All just a normal part of the life cycle of a phoenix. I'm afraid mischievous little Philomena here took the occasion to have a little fun with you, Fluttershy. Say you're sorry, young lady.
So, aren't you gonna banish me? Or throw me in a dungeon? Or banish me, then throw me in a dungeon in the place that you banished me to?
Of course not, my little pony. Where on earth would you get such an idea?
I guess I have some imagination.
Fluttershy
Yeah.
really did do everything she could to try to take care of Philomena for you.
And I do appreciate that your heart was in the right place, child. But all you had to do was ask me, and I could have told you Philomena was a phoenix and saved you all this trouble.
I know. I shouldn't have jumped to conclusions. Next time I'll ask before taking matters into my own hooves.
Should I write you a letter about that lesson, Princess?
No, that's quite all right. I think I can remember.
It's beautiful. Thank you, Philomena. No hard feelings.
Well, you got them to laugh. Wow. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that was. I enjoyed that episode. It was good. A Fluttershy based episode. So it's always going to be good with Fluttershy. Like I said, I should have seen the signs, but I never would have thought it would have been a phoenix. So the signs of it shedding its feathers would never have occurred. Would never have occurred to me. Until, of course, like I said, it burst into flame, and that's when I realized what it had to be. But anyways, that's it for this reaction. Thank you all for watching. And I know these are late. I was going to do them last night, but I was going to do them Thanksgiving Day, but my friend started playing games, and then at night, when he finally got off at midnight, I was going to do some quick episodes, but I had this splitting headache, and I just went to bed earlier than I normally would, and I just couldn't do them. So when I woke up in the morning, I figured I'll go ahead and do them, and then that will give me time to do 2 more episodes when I come home tonight from work. So I'll be able to have a backlog of 2 episodes. But anyways, that's what it is. Anyways, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next reaction. Bye.